Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Let's talk some Cardano, and we're going to flash back to some stuff we talked about a couple days ago, and we're going to go over why we saw a 10% surge within ADA and what this means for us, and why, as basically a holder of Cardano, why I wanted to share with you guys this message one more time, okay? And the reason why is because it's really, truly not a testament to the 10% price that we saw with Cardano, but really the ADA community, because that is what is the message that is exemplified within this video, within this article. And then we're going to take a quick dive into the trading view, show you guys exactly what Cardano is doing right here on the charts. All right, but let's get into it, guys, without further ado. And always make sure you guys please subscribe down below if you have not yet done so. We talk Cardano every single day. Smash that like button as well, and let's get down into it. All right, and obviously this isn't financial advice, so please do your own research with all things crypto and financial. But we saw this 10% surge a couple days ago where we had an intraday high around 67 cents, okay? And now this is important because now we're hovering just below that 50 cents line, right? As we currently record, it's about 498, okay? But what we need to say is crossing over that moving average of 50 is what's important, okay? That's where we've climbed, as high as that 67 cents just for a brief moment in time. But it gives us the ability to get over 60 cents, guys. And what we need to understand is the purpose of this whole video is not just to share with you guys, yes, Cardano briefly hit 67 cents. That is a huge move, okay? But we need to talk about how the community within Cardano is strong, okay? Because what it means is, and according to data that I've compiled from Into the Block, Cardano has become very profitable. Okay, now we're looking at 50% plus of ADA holders currently are profiting from their investments. So that's going to create a lot of momentum, right? And more so the long-term potential, not just for me, not just for you, but now more ADA holders entering that narrative. So strengthening the community, that's called good organic growth. That's what sets Cardano apart from a lot of other cryptos, is that low and slow approach that I always talk about to you guys that Hoskinson likes to take within their development. And I know you guys are going to FUD me and say down below in the comments, well, it's low and slow because I've been holding Cardano forever and I've had no results. Then you're invested in Cardano for the wrong reasons. If you want to make a 10, 20, 30x, we can do that tomorrow in a lot of different ways. But within Cardano, it's more so about the long-term profitability. All right, at least that's with me and my personal holdings. All right, and yes, I do swing trade Cardano from time to time, but that's stacked on top of my basically locked up assets within ADA, okay? But it's a testament to the ADA holders, testament to you guys, because now that you're in profit, right, Cardano holders are believing in this long-term potential that I just alluded to, and they're unwilling to sell when we have these dips with Cardano, right? They're holding the line. They're holding that 50 cents. They're holding that moving average. And even if we drop down below it, now we do have that new floor. I told you guys months ago, that was 25 cents for me. That was 30 cents. We weren't going to drop that far below those numbers for all too long. It's just physically impossible. All right, it would have to take some true malpractice from Hoskinson or someone else involved with Cardano to achieve that, right? That is insane that we were even down there and buying Cardano for less than a quarter earlier in 2023. Oh my goodness, guys. Jeez. Okay, but looking ahead, this is something where we see Cardano position themselves as well. We all know about the Block Frost investment that we made. I made a previous video about that. Just continuing to develop that community interest, right? That commitment to the Cardano community and have that community return the favor by not selling when we have these bad crypto days, okay? And that's where, truly striving for decentralization. We're seeing strives in that area as well. That's always been some of the FUD surrounding Cardano is how, you can't really have a CEO. You can't really have a Hoskinson, right? That's why the SEC has looked at them as a security, so on and so forth. But we could talk about that till we're blue in the face, but what the reality is Cardano has the community on track. So as a holder, you should be confident in that. Let's continue to break through these moving averages, skyrocketing ahead, looking at the charts, because there's a lot of catalysts to come, guys. We have the Bitcoin halving cycle coming up, the possible approval of a Ethereum spot ETF, and the presidential election in 2024 that I think is going very much undervalued right here, right now. So all good things happening. Cardano continues its move. We're seeing a nice little resurgence, hoping to get through 50 cents. But guys, it really doesn't matter if you're in it for the long haul. But this is what we got going on here when we look at Cardano on the chart. And let's try to get above 60 cents once more. That's kind of the floor I want to establish here in the near term, guys. As we look back into where we were when that actually happened, briefly, that was back in December where we had all of this trading volume, guys. This was a very strong day for me. When we were looking at Cardano on the charts right here in this December, around Christmas time, give or take a few days. That was some very good trading volume that we had with Cardano. So everything's going well. I hope you guys are all doing well as well. Didn't mean to say well that many times, but please subscribe down below if you have not yet done so. Smash that like button as well. And there's another time on your way out, but we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.